So my name is Chris Palmer, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can add us to manage your profile, or give us ownership, or give it to someone else. Here's how you'll do it. So first and foremost, what you'll want to do is head right on out to Google and head to your actual business profile. Just look for it. All right. So let's just say that you are this company here. So go to your business profile, type in the business name, and then you should see a screen that looks very similar to this, just with your business's name. The next step that you'll want to do is you'll click on these three dots right here. All right, three dots when you're on desktop, and I'm on a Windows machine. When those three dots show up, the very next step will be go to business profile settings. It's the very first clickable link. The next thing is people and access. So you'll want to click on this button, and then you will want to add the email for the manager or the owner. Please make sure before you transfer, you know exactly who you are giving access to. If somebody requests access, make sure you know their email and make sure you know who you're giving access to. Now, below this video, you'll see team@chrispalmer.org or a new email for manager access. And that will look just like this. team@chrispalmer.org. team@chrispalmer.org. All right, and we'll have manager access, and then you can invite us, and we're able to optimize your profile. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.